Hello, I'm Michael from Seth Michael, and behind the camera is my husband Seth,
Hello.
and we are sitting in our furniture store in Baltimore, Maryland, and we wanted to talk to you about our 5-year Guardsman Accidental Protection Program. And it is a accidental protection program, not an extended warranty. So this thing protects you from damages that you cause to your furniture. I was actually the sales rep for this. This was my first job in furniture, and these plans are fantastic. So you can purchase your furniture and you can live in it worry-free, because if something happens to it, like a human and pet bodily fluid stain, a rip, a cut, a tear, a burn, ballpoint pen ink, anything like that on your sleeper, on your media cabinets, then you're covered. And when I say covered, what happens is you file a claim with Guardsman, and they will hire the best technician in your area with a great track record and great customer service, and they come out to your home and they will try and fix the stain, or they will try and fix the damage, and you can contact them as many times as you want within the 5 years. Now, if something can't be fixed, then they're going to move for replacement, and you'll get one replacement on a part. Say they have to replace a cushion, you just couldn't get service on that cushion again, but you could get service everywhere else for that full 5 years, and they'll replace the whole piece up to one time. So say the fabric has been discontinued, you will automatically get a whole new piece of furniture for just the price of an accidental protection program. It does cover some manufacturer warranties that have expired within that 5 years. So say you have a manufacturer's warranty that covers frames and springs for 2 years, it'll extend that 3 more years to cover the life of the 5-year plan. Seth, what am I forgetting?
This is not a cleaning service.
Yes, so you can't just accumulate a bunch of stains from your rowdy friends and then at the end of that 5 years call them in. You have to call in each accident as they happen. So there's a brochure linked in on my website that explains all the coverages. There's a lot on there. But you can also ask us if you have any questions. Thanks for listening.